else clock them out. Okay, so I got a question. Would the hour variable of a certain date keep adding worked hours as long as it applies to the same day? That's a good question. This could get very complicated, and so what we're going to assume is this pet shop is only open during normal business hours from 9 to 5, and we won't worry about going across days because that it sounds very simple, but having written that kind of code many times, it's very complex. And so in your projects, don't ever assume that. Okay, everything all happens on the same day. All right. So you see what I did here is really what I'm doing is I'm writing my program, and if I keep refining this and thinking about this and changing this blueprint as I'm going along, when it comes time to code it, all I have to do is sit down like I've got a sheet of music, and just like I'm playing an instrument from a sheet of music, I can sit down and write the code. I can, if you got two monitors, you can have your blueprint on one and your code on the other, and you can just start building your program. Okay. Yeah, I mean it's really easy, folks, to really overthink this and make it really complex, and you'll get into this death spiral of complexity. And I've seen multi-million-dollar projects go down the tubes because of that. The whole scope creep thing can be very dangerous when you're writing software. So for our purposes, keep it really simple. If you're not sure, give me a call. Give me an email, and hopefully I won't have any more family emergencies like I just had. I don't need any more of that for a long time. And we'll go ahead and okay. So you're wondering how to keep the total hours separated by days. So what are you trying to do? Really, all we're doing here with the clock in and clock out is, obviously we'd have a database or we'd have a text file where we're saving the previous day's hours. And so what you would do is, for example, if it's July 1st and somebody clocks in, they clock out, you save that to a record in a database or to a row in a text file. The next day they come in, July 2nd, you do the same thing and it becomes another record. And they're associated with a particular employee. So that's how we would deal with that. I don't know if that's answering your question or not. Um, remember, we're going to assume for your project that everything happens during regular business hours of 9 to 5 or something like that. Don't try to think about things that are going uh, people working overnight shifts and stuff like that, because that makes it messy. Okay. Okay. So do we have any other questions? I have actually. I was teaching a couple classes here, and I'm trying to catch up with both sets of classes due to my issues of the last few days, and I have to get to them. I would be happy to do another one this week if that helps people out. Yeah, you're probably thinking way in advance of where you need to right now, as far as the text files and things. Those I can't remember the chapter off the top of my head. And actually, text files are very easy in Java. There's actually pre-written stuff, libraries that take care of really all the in and out stuff for you. Okay. Um, so does anybody have any questions? Again, if you want to have another one this week, let me know. Um, I've got to get on this other class in about 4 minutes. I really wanted to be getting you guys sorted out as far as this goes. I'll save this off in case we want to talk about it again. So I'll say save this, save as computer, and let's see, computer one, and Southern Hampshire. Yes, you can absolutely. Let me know about any doubts you have, and we'll go ahead and we'll fix it all up. And we can try to get another one this week. We'll have to figure out a date. So everybody, just if you can just kind of post to the general questions forum what you think would be a good day time, and we'll try to make that happen. Okay, and we'll get everybody caught up. All right. I appreciate everybody kind
Uh,
of bearing with me over the last few days. I will be getting caught up on email and everything else. Unfortunately, where I was, I didn't have access to computers and internet and all that kind of cool stuff. All right. So thanks everybody for showing up, and we'll see you again later this week.
Dr. G, I had a problem with my homework
Okay.
assignment.
Yep.
Um, I wasn't able to get the question number 2. It's not in my project open file. So I'm gonna send it to you in email,
Okay.
but I didn't submit it because I can't open it
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, send that to me.
in my NetBeans.
Okay.
So I'll look for your email.
Okay. That
Thanks.
sounds good.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
All right. Bye bye.